Hello and welcome everyone. This is Harshal Desai from Express Computer, which is the IT publication from the Indian Express Group. I welcome you all to an exclusive conversation today with Mr. Sandeep Gupta, who is Chief Digital and Information Officer at Cairn Oil and Gas. Welcome, Mr. Gupta.
Thank you, Ashal. Appreciate you having me on this important forum. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure. It's our pleasure to have this opportunity to seek your responses to some of the questions that we would like to ask you. A brief about Cairn Oil and Gas. It's the largest private oil and gas exploration and production company in India, uh, which has set an ambitious target of increasing its contribution to crude oil production in India from 25% to 50% in the years to come. And in this journey, developing the most advanced technologies is the key business imperative, as we all know. And India doubles down on its goal of reducing import dependence and achieving energy Atmanirbharta. So the organization is aggressively pursuing a cloud-first strategy where they prioritize deploying new solutions on the cloud completely and are migrating its existing on-premise computing onto the public cloud with a plan to migrate around 80% of workloads onto the cloud. We will seek more inputs and insights on these subjects and topics from Mr. Gupta. Uh, Mr. Gupta, as I have already introduced, in his current role, he leads the IT and digital function with key responsibilities to identify and execute digital projects across the upstream value chain of exploration, drilling, surface, and subsurface operations. And prior to this organization, he worked with a Kearney, where he led the Digital Center of Excellence with significant experience in formulating digital strategy and achieving tangible saving through automation, IT sourcing, and offshoring. So once again, we welcome Mr. Sandeep Gupta to this exclusive conversation, and let's understand more from Mr. Sandeep Gupta. Gupta, to start, this conversation, the first thing that we would love to understand from you is how your organization's integrated petrotechnical cloud is now a major step towards digitization in the industry, and how will it pave the way for more innovation and progress in the oil and gas sector?
Sure, Harshal. Harshal, before I answer this question, I'll give you a quick context as to how the oil and gas, specifically upstream oil and gas industry works, and where does petrotechnical come into play. See, if you look into the value chain, the first part is the exploration part, where we try to assess where we want to drill the wells. Once the wells are dug up, then you basically extract, you lay a pipeline, and then you transport it. Now, for the first